Hello. Hey guys, what's poppin'? How you doing? So in today's video, we'll be unboxing the Jordan 1 Retro High in Light Smoke Gray. I currently have a love and hate relationship with sneakers. Like, I love them because I just love shoes in general, but I hate them because some of these sneakers can get so expensive. I've recently learned that sneakers can be an investment. Sneakers worth can go high and you can resell them and make money, and so sneakers have a whole different world, which is cool and crazy at the same time. I feel like everyone knows this, but the Jordan 1 Obsidians, it went viral and now the price is like $500. I just think it's so crazy. I feel like I talk too much. Anyways, if you guys are new here in my channel, hi, my name is Mikey and I post videos every single week, so make sure to hit that subscribe button. You already know where it is. Go subscribe. Alrighty, let's do this. I've been waiting for this day and we're finally opening it. Oh my gosh. So this is my first time ordering in Stockx. It took around 2 weeks to arrive here. And since I'm not a sneaker pro, I had to order mine in Stockx because they verify the shoes for you. And I know it's a bit pricey. I paid a total of $320, I believe. I'm gonna put a clip right here of how much I paid total for the shoes. Alrighty, we're about to do them and I think they're so good looking. And that's the current price in Stockx, and so it's currently $275, and so we're gonna go try and buy it. I wish I have a discount code, but I don't have a plug. It's $275, and then there's $8.25 processing fee, $13.95 shipping, and $24.52 of sales tax, and that adds up to $321.72. It says over here that this is a new Jordan release and it will take about 7 to 11 business days for delivery, since they have to verify all the shoes and all that jazz. And we're just gonna confirm the purchase. Here we go, order confirmed. Oh my god. And I know it's a bit pricey, but this is actually my birthday gift to myself.
If you're watching this is a sign to treat yourself.
I am so excited. This is actually a size 7.5. This is actually for men's, but I really love this style. Alright, first impression, the box is pretty well taken care of. There's a little bit damage right here, but it actually came with bubbles inside, so it will protect the shoes, so that's good. I just found out that boxes are actually important for people that collect shoes, because just in case they resell them. It is one type of verification if your shoes are authentic. So, and I'm not sure if you guys saw, but the shoe retail price is $170. Alrighty, I'm ready to see it. Why am I nervous? Let's just open it. Wait, I don't see the shoes yet, but there's a card right here. Ooh. Card, and it has a letter right here. It says,
"Welcome. By now you already know how Stockx is the live market for sneakers, streetwear, collectibles, handbags, and watches. Whether it's the latest sneakers drop you missed out on the Gucci bag you've always wanted, on Stockx everything is always available and always 100% authenticated. Plus, with Stockx you always pay a fair price, the true market price."
So that's that. I kind of want to hang this somewhere. And then we also have the receipt right here. That's that. So this is the moment of truth. Guys, this is sick. Oh my gosh, bro. This shoe actually dropped in July 11, 2020, and I tried buying them in retail price because they're only $170 in retail price, but everything was all sold out, so I had no choice but to buy it in Stockx, which sucks. This is the reason I bought it, because of like the suede material. It's different. Oh my gosh, I love it. And then it comes with this verified authentic from Stockx. The official color of the shoes is gray, red, black, and white. I personally don't like black toes, so I'm glad that they did white instead of black. It just looks cleaner for me. And then the actual material of the light grays are suede, which I also love. The black right here is also suede. The bottoms are also black, so it's easier to clean. And who else loved this red pop of color right here? It is something different compared to the other Air Jordans. And currently the black laces is on, and then it comes with a white lace. lace right here. Later on, we're gonna go lace them up and we're gonna try it on in our feet and let's see how comfy they are. Oh, it also comes with Stockx stickers. Alrighty, so let's look at the condition on this one. I mean, it looks new. Let's look at the stitches. I mean, it looks good. I'm so happy that I got these. I cannot wait to rock this. Now let's put on the lace, and I'll be choosing the black one because I feel like it has a good contrast with the Nike swoosh right here. Oh yes, this is what we like. And this is what it looks like with lace. Alrighty, so as of the shoe in our feet, pretty stable and sturdy. I mean, it feels good. It's just like any other Air Jordan. Overall, I am happy that I got these baby right here. Don't they look so clean and fresh? I love them so much. And yeah, I don't know what else to say. This video is just gonna be fast and short. All I know is the material and the color combination of this specific shoe is so nice, and that's why I bought them. I want more. And that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to hit the like button if you like it. Also subscribe if you haven't. Let me know what you guys think about this shoe right here. I personally love them. And before I forget, today's shout out goes to you. Thank you so much for commenting. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys. I love my shoes. Bye. I'm so happy. Happy birthday to me.